Dear students, good morning. In previous video we have seen that Lancho, the poor farmer, he has written a letter and just he took it to the post office which was far away from his house in the city. Now what happened? That thing also we have seen that postman has taken out the letter from post box and now they are reading. He is laughing also. And when he has given that letter to postmaster, he was also amusing person. And what happened? He became surprised when he saw that someone has written letter to God, because yet they did not see any such letter in which it was addressed to the God. First time that they have got such letter. So what happened? The postmaster was very kind person. Just he has tried to help, or he thought to help Lancho. So he has decided to give some amount from his salary, but it was very large amount. Whatever amount he has demanded, it was 100 pesos, and for one person it was very hard amount to pay in that time. Pesos are generally used in Latin American countries. So here what happened? He told other employees of that post office that they may collect some amount and help that person, help that farmer. So what did they do? They collected, and postmaster, he had just paid those amount which they have collected. It was just more than 50% of his demand. Then what happened? As they have paid in envelope, postmaster has written one letter also in the name of Lencho and in his address. Then that letter was also put inside that envelope and packed it. After a week on Sunday, Lancho had come more earlier to the post office because today he was having eagerness to know what happened to his letter. How did the God respond? God has sent his amount or not? To know all these things, he had gone more earlier to the post office. After going, he asked about his letter from the postmaster. Postmaster himself had given the letter to Lencho, which was written by postmaster himself, but there it is mentioned that this letter has come from God. So what happened? He became so happy when he had received that letter and it was having some weight. He thought that God had replied him and sent his demand. So what happened? In happiness, he opened the letter and he started counting. What did he find? Some less amount was there. He became so sad. He thought, oh God, I have asked for 100 pesos and you have sent me 70 pesos. But see, different types of thoughts were coming in his mind. Sometimes he is thinking that no, God can't do mistake and God can't cheat. He thought that the people who are working in this post office, they are not good. They have taken some amount from the amount which was sent by God. He is thinking. He is treating them as crook. So what happened? He has again asked for a white paper and he started, he sat on the bench which was kept outside the post office. There was a table also. He started writing to the God. In panic mode, he is writing, God, I have asked for 100 pesos, but I received 70 pesos, and I hope you did not do mistake. I hope these persons who are working in this office are not good. They have taken the amount. So this time, please, whatever you will send rest of the amount, send it directly to me. This was written in this letter and he has posted in the letter box. What happened again? Postman, he has taken out the letter and he has taken that letter to post office and he saw that to whom? Postmaster. Postmaster torn the envelope. He read the letter. He became surprised at that person. Why? Because they have helped and now Lencho, he was not knowing that they have helped and unknowingly he is blaming at those persons who have helped him. This is the story